You're watching AI Builder Lab, the channel where you get 100% free in-depth master prompts. Here, we focus exclusively on free AI tools to create high-quality content. No paid software, no hidden costs. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through creating micro camera animal and insect videos using only free AI tools. This niche is rapidly gaining traction and has strong viral potential. Many creators missed the renovation and transformation trend. Don't miss this one. For this video, you'll receive a complete universal master prompt. You'll find the link in the description. This master prompt is highly flexible. With a single prompt, you can generate countless variations of insect and small animal videos. Make sure you carefully copy the entire prompt before proceeding. Once copied, open ChatGPT, and yes, this works perfectly with the free version. Paste the master prompt into ChatGPT, and it will automatically generate a list of 15 insects or small animals. You can select any option from the list. If you want to create a video about something specific, for example ants, simply type the name directly. The prompt will adapt without any issues. For example, for this video, I will use black garden ant. If it is on the number 1 on the list, just type 1 and click Generate. If you prefer another subject, just reply with its name. ChatGPT will then generate 1 detailed image prompt and 5 motion prompts for video creation. First, generate the base image. Then, use the motion prompts to animate and extend the video. For both image and video generation, we'll use the free version of Grok AI. To create the image, go to Grok's Imagine section, paste the image prompt into the Type to Imagine field, and click Generate. Within seconds, you'll receive an ultra-high detail image. Select your preferred result. To animate it, choose the Make Image option. Cancel the auto-generation. Return to ChatGPT, copy the first motion prompt, paste it into Grok, confirm the 9:16 aspect ratio, and generate the video. Review the output. If needed, regenerate. If satisfied, proceed to upscale the video. Now, copy the next motion prompt from ChatGPT, click on the 3 dots, click on Extend Video, now click on Extend from the frame, now paste the prompt in the box, and then click on Generate. This process seamlessly extends your video while maintaining quality and consistency. Repeat the same workflow for each remaining motion prompt. Upscale, extend from the last frame, paste the next motion prompt, and generate. After completing all prompts, upscale the final output and download the finished video. I'm not covering background music or export steps here to keep this tutorial focused and efficient. That's it for today's guide from AI Builder Lab. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.